Okay, once you have your picture darkened, you've decided what's going to be white and what's going to be the color of the paint, then you're ready to transfer your picture onto your linoleum. Okay, so you'll need to get your piece of linoleum, and the first thing you want to do is go over all the lines on your picture to make sure that they're really dark. Okay, you need a lot of graphite on your picture so that it will transfer. So retrace all your lines really dark. I've already done that. So the next step after that is I'm going to go ahead and transfer. So I'm going to put my picture face down on top of the linoleum. Then I'm going to rub the back of this. Now you can do it a couple different ways. You probably don't want to use a mechanical pencil, but if you have a regular pencil, you could color the back so that it's black. You can use the end of like a colored pencil that's just flat, or you can use like your fingernail if you've got some fingernails to use. But you're going to go over the entire back of your picture and push really hard on that. You want to be sure that you get every little part, because if you miss a spot, it won't transfer, and then your picture won't look the same. You'll have to redraw it in. And it's kind of hard to draw on the linoleum, so it's better to transfer it than it is to do that. You also want to be sure that you don't move the edges of your paper. You want to see how I'm holding them down? You want to keep it so that it doesn't slide around. If you slide your picture, then your image is going to be smeared, and that's not going to look awesome. So you want to be careful not to do that. I know that I'm doing a good job because I can see here that the paper's flipping up. It's starting to curl. So I know that I'm putting enough pressure on it. If your paper's not doing that, be sure that you're pressing hard enough to get the transfer. I'm also going to make sure I go all the way out to my edges, especially at the bottom where I know that my picture goes all the way to the edge. It doesn't go all the way to the edge of the top, so I don't need to do that there. One last kind of turn around, and we're done. Okay, so I'm going to peel off my picture, and then there's my print. And then you can tell, okay, I've pushed really hard over here, and maybe not so much here, or maybe my pencil, my lead wasn't as dark in those spots. Okay, so hopefully yours has turned out all like this. But it's happened enough here that I can see where it is and I can do the next step.